Rule of three. Yes, today we are going to talk about rule of three. So, you can see rule of three everywhere in your life, like in ideas, events, sentences, characters, right? For example, green light, red light, yellow light, right? Ready, steady, go. Or in the story like Three Little Pigs. In case of emergency, dial 911. Okay, this is nothing but rule of three. Okay, why do people use this rule of three? Because the brain seems to work the best, thinking about thinking in threes basically, so the brain is like, okay, 1 2 3, it's the easiest thing to remember, or in a rule of three, it is more structured basically, right? It's easier for your brain to retain in a rule of three. Okay, so today we will learn how as a speaker you can frame the body of your speech by using the rule of three. I can give you more examples, like in 2011 when Steve Jobs launched the iPhone for the first time, he said it's thinner, lighter and faster, right? So that is again a rule of three. As a speaker, why not we use it? It will be very effective. Now, while framing the body of your speech, you can involve 3 points. Okay, first divide the whole content into 3 parts. Now each point again divided into 3 subtopics or 3 sub arguments. Okay, so rule of three is very important. Next time as a speaker, frame your speech using the rule of three and let me know how it worked. So that's all for today's video, and stay tuned, keep watching.